Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Zone. My name is Lakshmikant and you are watching the series of basic program. In my last video, we have seen how to print the numbers from 1 to 10 or any 1 to 50 without using any loop iteration statement like for, do, while. Today, I will write a program for swapping of numbers without using third variable. So let's begin. Here is the list of the basic programs we are covering. So we are on the 8 number, that is the swap of two numbers. So what exactly the swapping of the numbers? Okay, swapping is nothing but the interchange the values. So for example, suppose person A has the rupees 10 and person B has the rupees 30. So if we swap, then result would be person A will have the rupees 30 and person B will have the rupees 10. This is the swapping definition, we can say. But how programmatically we can integrate? I am a PHP developer, so I will write this program in PHP. So let's get started. Open one editor. I already installed the Notepad++. So to swap the number, there are the two ways. One is using the third variable, but here we are not using that the third variable. We are just uh, write this program without using that third variable. Okay, so how we can do that? So there is addition and subtractions come into the picture. Okay, so using addition and subtractions we will change this the change in the sense, yeah. So means we will swap these the values to these the variables, we can say. Okay, so I will consider the two variables, dollar a equal to suppose the 10, or we can say I will take the 50, dollar b equal to 100. So in this I will add these two values first. Suppose dollar. Okay, before move ahead to write the rest of the lines of the code, just save this the file first. So I already installed the XAMPP, which is required for the PHP. So under XAMPP htdocs created, into that the setup, and then into htdocs, so we create the one folder that is the program list. Under this we'll save this file swap. So program so PHP program files always save with the .php extension. Save it. So here I said you need to use the addition and subtraction, and the subtraction operator will be used. So I will make addition first and assign to the first variable. So what would happen here? So dollar a plus b, okay, so it will become the 150. Okay, so this is the just hand run the program before exiting into the server, and now a becomes the 150, right? Now what we need, okay, here to 150, so a value is changed here. Okay, it becomes 150. Now I will make subtraction equal to, okay, so now 150 is there, so and I need to assign the b, I need to assign the value of 50 to this b. Okay, I know the already a now become the 150, so to get the value of 50 to the variable b, okay, so I need to subtract 100 from 150. So dollar a minus dollar b. Okay, so here what 11. So here 150 minus 100. So B will be the here the 50. Right? Now we get the B equal to 50. Right? This B will become the 50. Now I want to assign this 100 to A. Right? So what I will do, I know this is the A is 150 and B is 50. To get the value of 100 to A, I need to just subtract 150 minus 50. So here $A again equal to $A minus $B, so that 150 minus 50 becomes the 100 and assign to the A. Okay, so what I can do, I will write one statement. Echo is used for to print any text over the statement. So here before swap values are A, B, A and B are, we can say like this. Okay, we just consider that these are the A and B. And now after swap these values, to run this program we need the web server. I have to install the XAMPP. Here is my servers, the web server control panel. So I have to start the Apache. To run this program you need to just open the browser, type http localhost and your program folder list. Okay, so I already given the name as a program list, so I will enter this one. So swap.php, here is the output. Before swap values are A and B, in the sense are values of A and B are, okay, before swap values of A and B 50 and 100, after swap values of A and B 100 and 50. Okay, so in this way we interchange the values, okay, without using any third variable. So what we did, we just make addition, assign the addition to the first variable, and then whatever the values is assigned to that the first variable. Okay, just subtract the second variable from that the value and assign to the second variable. Okay, now in this way we get the value for the second variable, which is nothing but the required value, that is the swap value. Okay, now we need to assign this the value from this the new swap value from the second variable, that is the v50. So here we subtract this value, that is the A minus B. Okay, so in this way we just addition and get subtraction did for to change this the values. Okay, so that is nothing but the swapping over the two numbers. Okay, so this is the another way, and as already said that the in the initial object the video, that the using the third variable also we can do the swapping. Okay, so I hope you understand this the program. If you like this the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe my channel, so you will get the notification on such program learning videos. And thanks for watching.